Hey everybody, welcome back to Trades and Gains. I'm your host Max Pitts, and today we have another market recap, and it looks like the Dow Jones just snapped its longest losing streak in 50 years. That's right, 10 straight days of pain and misery have finally ended with a gain so tiny it's basically a rounding error. But hey, progress is progress, right? So let's take a look at our indexes. So again, the Dow Jones Industrial made a rounding error and squeaked out a 0.04% gain on the day. The S&P 500 lost about 0.09% on the day. And the NASDAQ composite dropped about 0.1%, which is weak sauce. So the million-dollar question, what's dragging this market down? Two words, Jerome Powell. The Fed chair hit us with what traders are calling a quote-unquote hawkish cut. They trimmed rates by a quarter point, but also scaled back plans for rate cuts in 2025. Translation, fewer rate cuts, more uncertainty, and the market's throwing a tantrum about it. Powell basically said the Fed is in a data-dependent mode, which is Fed speak for we have no clue what's next, so good luck out there. Investors are now pricing in just one rate cut for next year. Merry Christmas, Wall Street, but it's not all doom and gloom. On the economic front, third quarter GDP was revised up to 3.1%. Strong economy, right? Sure. Until you factor in inflation, high Treasury yields, and mortgage rates that are creeping back up to soul-crushing levels. The 10-year Treasury yield hit 4.57%, its highest since May. For stocks, that's like putting weights on a swimmer. So what's the takeaway? First, if you're hoping for a market rally, temper those expectations. This isn't the roaring bull market of earlier this year. Second, if you're shopping for a mortgage or refinancing, brace yourself. Rates aren't dropping anytime soon. The market's mood, let's call it cautiously miserable. Investors are spooked by the Fed, by inflation, and by uncertainty heading into 2025. But hey, at least the Dow isn't breaking any more losing streak records. Small wins, people, small wins. Want to stay ahead of the madness, though? Hit that like button, fist that subscribe, and tell me in the comments, are we heading for a recovery, or is 2025 already shaping up to be a dumpster fire? Until next time, stay sharp and keep hustling and wear a condom.